LinkedIn is a professional networking platform specifically designed for business professionals to succeed. It allows you to build and strengthen your professional branding, build trust and credibility, has many networking opportunities, offers professional learning and development, job search and career growth, as well as industry visibility and thought leadership. Let's take a look at our top tips for becoming successful on LinkedIn. Personal branding. Your LinkedIn profile and the content you put out is what creates your personal brand. Craft a compelling profile, engage authentically, and stay consistent. Check your SSI score. Monitor your SSI score on a monthly basis. It's a good indicator of how your social strategy is progressing. Make sure to identify strengths and weaknesses, set goals, and implement strategies. Relationship building. Focus on building a relationship with people, not selling a product to them. Make sure to provide value first, build trust and credibility, and follow up and nurture relationships. You can also use your competition. Utilize your competitors' content to generate leads for your business. Monitor competitor followers, track engagement trends, and provide differentiation. Build rapport. A connection is just like a hello. You've then got to build rapport, build a relationship, and identify needs before asking for anything. Start with a personalized introduction, engage authentically and show interest in their success. Cultivate your newsfeed and network. Make sure you are connected to the right people. Ring the bell on the profiles of those whose content you want to see in your newsfeed. That way your newsfeed will be full of relevant content for you. Follow relevant companies and organizations, customize your preferences, and regularly review and curate your network. Take it offline. Always look for the opportunity to move an online relationship offline, and to a phone call or meeting. Do this by offering lead magnets that will create interest, asking for email access, and once a relationship has started you can then suggest a meeting. Farm your network. It's like a crop field on a farm. You need to take care of it every day. Do this by providing fresh content, foster meaningful relationships, and keep your network engaged. Be proactive. It is a proven fact that salespeople using LinkedIn outperform their peers, so make sure you start to get involved. Build your network, personalize your outreach, and track and measure results. Schedule. Set daily time slots to do LinkedIn, just like you would set times to do cold calling, or any form of prospecting. Make time to accept requests, make time to reply to messages, and update yourself of industry trends for posting. Always be giving. People rarely engage with advertising through social media, they engage with valuable content. Whilst social selling has the term selling, it's less about selling and more about giving. Focus on value creation, provide free resources and tools, and give without expecting immediate returns. Use your time wisely. Monitor time spent on LinkedIn, and make sure it's controlled. LinkedIn is addictive, and it's easy to spend more time than necessary without generating an outcome. Make sure to set time limits, prioritize activities, and use productivity tools. Use your CRM. Use CRM to track which opportunities originate from LinkedIn and use LinkedIn to fill out your contacts profile. Capture key information, automate data entry, and focus on segmentation and targeting. Enhance sales techniques. Don't ignore techniques such as cold calls and meetings. Utilize social selling to enhance those processes and open opportunities. Use LinkedIn as a pre-call research tool, leverage social proof, and follow up strategically. Meet the team. Ask your company to create a Meet the Team page on the company website, to help direct people to your social profile to grow your network. Link each member's LinkedIn profile, create a Meet the Team video and encourage team participation. Company page. Make sure your company page is up to date and has a posting strategy. Leverage employee advocacy, link and promote, then measure the performance. Sales Navigator. This is a great tool for any team who need to generate their own leads, build lead lists and account map prospects. It's a fantastic tool for advanced search filters, list building and lead recommendations, and smart links and CRM syncing. There are many more features on Sales Navigator you can check out with a free trial.